Hello world, here is Biti, your Bitcoin trading informant. And in this video, I would like to check XLM. We will check XLM and especially checking XLM for my great supporter antempire4. Thank you very much antempire4 for supporting me. You're supporting me so much. You're one of my biggest supporter here on Crypto Trading Informant. On my channel you also have a sub, and on my main channel on Bitcoin Trading Informant you also have a sub. So thank you very much for your donations, for your subs, and all you are making here for me, for my live streams. Thank you. So XLM, let's check XLM for antempire4 and for all other guys out there. They would maybe will go long or short or trade XLM momently. Here you can see Crypto Trading Informant, my live stream. Here are 9 of the big cryptos, and here on this side is XLM, and you can see XLM here on the 1 hour chart. And yes, we had a short signal here for XLM. We are bearish momently, we are in a red ribbon band, and you can see here we have a buy signal also here to the downside, and now XLM is going up a little bit. But attention guys, you see this yellow line here, this is a big problem. This is the EMA 200, and that's our big resistance momently for XLM. We have a lot of big resistances out there. You can see Ethereum has also the EMA out there, Litecoin has also the EMA out there, Bitcoin also the EMA over our head. Binance Coin has broken this EMA, is now pumping, and IOTA has broken also this EMA 200, and it's pumping also momently. So that's the next thing guys. What's going on with XLM? XLM is still under the EMA, and we will check it now. Here on our coinmarket.com, let's check it. What's going on with the top 10 coins? Let's check XLM. If my internet is loading here a little bit faster, I would be very thankful. Maybe we'll take a look about later. Take a look about technical analysis for XLM here, very quick. One day everything is neutral, but the moving averages are telling us buy that XLM on the 4 hourly, buy. On the 1 hour, buy, strong buy, neutral. On the 15 minutes, buy. So everything is looking good here for our TA on TradingView. Everything looking fine with the moving averages, the summary, and the oscillators are neutral. That's not a bad thing here for XLM. Now guys, let's check CoinMarketCap. Here is the CoinMarketCap. Here it is, and XLM is on place 10. We had XLM always on place 11, but now it's on place 10. Very nice. Now XLM is in the top 10 of our coins in CoinMarketCap, and you can see here today a little plus, about 2%. In the week it's going down with XLM, as with the most coins here, they're going down on the weekly, 17% in the minus in the weekly. And against Bitcoin is 16% in the minus, and XLM 17% in the minus, so they are really close together here with this downtrend for the weekly. So let's check this XLM on TradingView. Let's check it on the chart. Here is the daily chart for XLM, and we will check it here. You can see it, my drawings here. You can see the big red downtrend here. XLM is still in a downtrend, fighting in the daily chart in this ribbon band. And you can see we had a 5-wave upgoing wave, a Elliott wave, and the ABC correction wave. And yes, it worked very fine. We had the A, we had the B, and we had the C on the downside. And now, in my opinion, we have a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 correction Elliott wave upgoing. So let's check that, not on the daily. Let's check that on the 4 hour a little bit later. Here we are on a MACD on the daily, and you can see the MACD is still bearish momently for XLM. The blue line is on the brown line. We are building red candles here. Maybe it's going up a little bit. You can see it on the color of the candles, not so dark red here, but we are making red candles, and the blue line is still way under the brown line. That's not so bullish. Here is the EMA 200 on the daily chart, and the EMA 200 is here, as we can see, on this price level momently 0.22. So we have a lot of space to the downside. We have a big support, and XLM is holding this big support. That's a very nice sign here. That's the bottom of the downtrend. It is an uptrend. The big one is the uptrend, and this green line is now the bottom of this uptrend, and this support is holding very good. You can see it here once, you can see it here twice, and yes, we are still over this. The next big thing is on the daily chart here. What's going on with XLM? Can XLM fight over this or against this ribbon band? Can it fight back to the upside? And what's going on here with this big red line here? That's our big resistance on the daily chart. Let's make it extreme red here, you can see that's the really big thing here for XLM. XLM must break this big red resistance. If it is red, now it is red. That's the upper line of our downtrend. Very important for the long term, guys. So let's take a look about the 4-hour chart. What's going on with XLM on 4-hour chart? And yes, here we are on the 4-hour chart. And on the 4-hour chart, it's very interesting. You can see it. The ribbon band here is red. We have a short position here. XLM, we had the short position to sell here. XLM on this point. And yes, we are fighting back now a little bit, but we are still under this red ribbon band. You can see it also. XLM tried here to fight against this bad resistance here, against this upper line of the downtrend, but XLM lost the fight and it's going down again. And on the 4-hour chart, the cool and bullish thing for XLM is that we are over the ribbon, over the EMA 200. That's a very interesting thing here, and that's bullish for XLM. So this is our support momently, and we are over this support. On the MACD here to the downside, interesting, the blue line is over the brown line. You can see it here. The blue line is still over the brown line. That's a next bullish sign here for the 4-hour chart for XLM. But the big thing is, and that we will see in the next hours, this one here is the next big resistance, 0.44 about. And the next big thing to the downside is this one here. This is our big support, about 0.36. So we are in the middle of this, and that's very interesting. So what's going on with our 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 Elliott wave theory? Let's check it. Here was 1, here was 2, here was 3, here was 4, and this was the 5th. This was the highest one, and maybe we are now building a ABC correction from here to here is point A. Now we're going up a little bit with B, and I think, guys, it's possible here for B that we came down back again and testing or retesting this support line here. That's very important here for the next time and the next watch. We have to watch it. Here A, here the B, and then it's going down. In the normal fall, if you are making here a ABC correction again to the C point momently, I think it's the support here again for XLM. So that's it for the 4-hour chart. Now, guys, let's check XLM versus Bitcoin. That's very important now, because I think we have here good news, and here we are. And yes, we have good news, guys. We are in a good uptrend. We have broken this big downtrend for XLM versus Bitcoin. Here's the 4-hour chart, and yes, we have broken this downtrend to the upside with this little uptrend here. But guys, take a look about this. We are now fighting again, and that's the bearish thing under the EMA 200. Very bearish, this yellow line. And in this moment, we have a long position here. Yes, because we have a green bullish ribbon band, but we are fighting against the ribbon band. And momently, we are under this ribbon band, and that's a very bearish sign here for XLM for the short term in the 4-hour chart here. So the big support is here momently. On this line, this green line is a very big support, and maybe we bounce off again from this. But the bearish thing, as I told you, here we are losing we lost our uptrend here to a new, maybe a new downtrend. That's a very bearish sign here for XLM versus Bitcoin. Maybe we can make something like this. We can draw the bearish downtrend channel here from this highest point to this highest point, and we can make the bottom here to this point. That's the lowest point. So now we are in the bearish downtrend again, and you can see this uptrend. We lost this uptrend here, and we are now going down a little bit more. That's the bearish thing for the moment from XLM versus Bitcoin. Let's go back, XLM versus USDT, and let's take a look about the 1-hour chart. Also very important, the 1-hour chart for short terms tradings. Here it is, the 1-hour chart, and here on the 1-hour chart, we are fighting over the ribbon band. We are short here, but we have because we have a red ribbon band, but we are fighting over this ribbon band momently. And maybe this fight here is a good sign in the 1-hour chart in the very short term to become a bounce from here from the ribbon band. But you see it, guys, here the big resistance 0.44. The next big resistance on the 1-hour chart is the EMA 200. That's this one here. So we need To fight back, we need to fight over this EMA on the 1 hour chart, and the biggest thing is we need to fight the 0.44 resistance line. So all in all, guys, I'm not so ultra bullish momently. Maybe we see a little bounce to the upside. Maybe it was the bounce with B like this, and maybe we see now the C point down going to the support line here for a retest, and then everything is open now. We will become new cards here, and we will see what's going on with XLM on the next time. But for the moment, it's not so ultra bullish here for me for XLM. We have to wait what's going on with the point C, with the downgoing C wave. Guys, that's it for XLM. Thanks once again very, very much. Thank you very, very much, antempire4, for your great support. And this is especially for you a XLM overview for the short term. Guys, thanks for watching. I wish you the best of luck. Greetings to all. Make it good. Have a nice time. Yours Biti, yours Bitcoin trading informant.